Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the NutriChef 21-piece nonstick cookware set, a complete kitchen solution that includes everything from saucepans and skillets to baking pans and silicone utensils. This versatile set features 1.5 and 2.5 quart sauce pots with lids, a 4.5 quart Dutch oven, small and medium fry pans, and a variety of baking essentials like muffin, loaf, and pizza pans, all designed with a long-lasting non-stick coating for effortless food release and easy cleaning. The cookware boasts comfortable, cool touch handles that are both ergonomic and heat-resistant, ensuring a safe and enjoyable cooking experience, while the sleek design with stain-resistant edges adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Equipped with see-through tempered glass lids, these pots and pans allow you to monitor your cooking with ease, and the vent holes let steam escape for optimal results. The NutriChef set is crafted from pressed aluminum metal with a multi-layered coating, making it suitable for gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops, and it can handle temperatures up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this cookware set offers universal cooking capabilities, ensuring even heat distribution and retention for perfectly cooked meals every time. So, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a reliable and stylish cookware set, the NutriChef 21-piece nonstick cookware set might just be the perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.